You know, every time I look at the night sky, I can't help but think about how small we are compared to everything out there.
Same here. Honestly, astronomy has been my favorite subject since I was a kid. Did you know I used to build little cardboard telescopes just...
Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do something different. But before I start my tutorial today, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you can get more tutorials from Moho. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a quick video how to do a dialogue between two characters. Okay, I will not do much of the rigging. I'm just gonna bring two characters together and then how I do the dialogue or discussion. Okay, so this is Moho, started new. You can see there's nothing here, and I'm gonna go to file and then I will click recent. So recent, I've got Hilda here. I'll bring Hilda in this layer here, and then I will go again to file and find recent. Let's say I'm going to use skateboard. Okay, so I've got skateboard character here, which is already talking, but I will have to cancel any rigging for talking. So I'll need to delete everything here and make sure that nothing is going here. Okay, so you can see that the character is not talking now. And going back here to Hilda, let's remove others which we don't need. Okay, so we are looking for... Okay, now go and click Hilda, and then once you click character Hilda here, go to edit and copy layer. Please make sure you copy layer, not only copy. Okay, and then go to skateboard and go to edit and paste layer. Remember, copy layer and paste layer. So we've got two characters together here. Okay, right, so our two characters are there. Now we need to go to layers panel and we need to add audio. Okay, so go here and audio. I'm gonna select the first audio because I know this is a male voice. I'm just gonna listen here
You
first.
know, every time I look at the night sky, I can't help but think about how small we are compared to everything out there.
Right, I'm happy with that, ending with around 152. So let me rename this audio as boy. You don't need to rename it, but just to remember. Okay. Then next, I will need to go to uh, the audio file, double click, because I've taken this conversation from ChatGPT. So I'm just gonna go to ChatGPT and copy the first line of the conversation. You do not need to do that, but sometimes it's good to help the lip sync from Moho. So exactly the word the character is talking, this is what I copy there. And then I am going to voice character, mouth, double click it, click switch, and then select the boy audio. Okay, and click OK.
You know, every time I look at the night sky, I can't help but think about how small we are compared to everything out there.
Alright, so that ended in 152, 54. Okay, so once we are happy with that, now we are going to do the same thing for Hilda. Okay, so going to Hilda, click here, or you don't need to do that, but it's best to do that, and then go to add audio file. Select the second one, which I know that this is the female character is talking, and then bring it to the timeline here. I need again to copy the conversations word to word, copy that from ChatGPT, and then go to the audio file which we have copied, and then paste again just to help the lip sync again. Now, double click the audio file and name it based on your character if you want. Okay, go to the character itself, double click the mouth switch and select the file and click OK. give it about 3 to 4 seconds when you click OK, because it just need to process. Okay. Now, once we have done that, mean that we have finished with the conversation or the dialogue. Now you can
Same
click play.
here.
You know, every time
Okay. So let me start again from the beginning to click this.
You know, every time I look at the night sky, I can't help but think about how small we are compared to everything out there.
Same here. Honestly, astronomy has been my favorite subject since I was a kid. Did you know I used to build
You know, every time
Okay, and that's it. So if you want to do any extra rigging, you can do extra rigging the time they are talking. You can use like a bone dynamic, you can use bone constraint, you can use anything.
you know, every time
So for example here, I'm just gonna change the girl's character's eyes, she is looking at
you
the
know,
boy's conversation or when the boy is talking, and then make a little bit movement. You don't have
you
to.
know, every time I look at the night sky,
Okay, we'll do the boy as well. I'm gonna click the boy, and then when he talks about the night sky, I will need to move the head up, and then like he's pointing to the sky, and also the palm. I need to change it to switch to because I'm using switch, so I'm gonna go to left palm and use points, like it's pointing up. Let's
the
see.
night sky, I can't help
Okay, I'm gonna bring the points a little bit back because this is where it
but
belongs, and I'll need to delete the other keyframe from the palm. Okay,
you know, every time I look at the night sky, I
okay. So here is better. Let me go to left palm and delete this keyframe because we didn't need those. They were there
can't help
before.
but think
Okay. So like I said, this is just now about how you want to
about
rig the conversation yourself. You can do anything here, but the important things is you know now how to bring two characters
how small we are
into
compared to everything out
conversation.
there.
same
You just need to add audio file and then go to mouse switch. If you're using Bond, this will not
here?
work. I mean, like if you're using bones to switch the mouse. So if you're using, I like to leave my characters in switch, mouth switch, rather than using bone.
Same here. Honestly, astronomy
Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. And again, I just need to ask you that please subscribe, enable notification
has been my
button, share
favorite
and like.
subject
And if you have got any comment or
since
any question regarding this video, then please don't forget to add the comment. All these characters will be available in the link
I was
in the description box below, and they will be available for free. Just subscribe and watch next
You know,
tutorial.
every time I look at the night sky, I can't help but think about how small we are compared to everything out there.
same here. Honestly, astronomy has been my favorite subject since I was a kid. Did you know I used to build little cardboard telescopes just to
You know, every time I look at the night sky, I